Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be unboxing this new printer that I just got in the mail. So I decided to buy a new printer because the one I have right now is this one here. This is the Canon TS3330. And this printer was really cheap when I found it. So I decided to buy it because, oh, it's cheap. But I never realized how fast the ink ran out. I never really looked at the reviews. I just bought it because of the price. I really wouldn't recommend this printer at all, so never buy it. And if you have it, throw it away and buy yourself a new one because it's really not that good. The ink runs out really fast. I almost had to file for bankruptcy because of the ink. I'm just playing, but yeah, it's not good. I really don't like it, so I had to buy a new one. The ink runs out very fast. Maybe, I don't know, you print 100 pages in color, the ink is gone. So I ended up getting this one, which is the M630TW by Epson, and it's an eco tank, which is pretty cool. I've never had an eco tank, but this same printer they use at my job, so I really like it over there, so I had to buy it. So here it is. Say don't tilt it because the ink. Okay. So I will unbox it once I finish it. Once I finish unboxing it, I will show it to you guys. So BRB. Oh, one more thing. If you see here, it says A4 paper. You can print 6,000 pages in color and 7,500 pages in black and white. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's unbox it. Okay, so I just opened the box, so let's see what's inside. It says Epson. I did get it in white, and I think they do have the printer in black as well. So the first thing we have here is the manual. It comes with the CD as well. Okay, we'll put this aside because this is very important. Here's the ink. So it does come with the ink. There you go. There's one. There's two. This is the ink for the eco tank, which is pretty cool. This is the other ink. This is the black ink. Oh, kind of empty. And we have the plug. By the way, I paid around 33,000 yen in US. That was $296, which I think it's a very good price for an eco tank that can print 6,000 papers in color and 7,000 in black and white. Let's put everything right here now. Okay, so this is the printer itself. So I'll put you guys on hold for a bit. Once I get it out, I'll show you guys the... Alright, so here's the printer itself. So let me take this off real quick. Okay, there we go. So it does have all these little buttons here. This is where the eco tank is. The power button. This is where... okay, let me take this off. Sorry guys, I don't do many unboxings, so it's not professional. But here we go. So this is the paper tray, where the paper, prints, comes out. Then the good thing, let me put this back. Oh. Whoa, there we go. Okay. Here, you take it out, you put paper in here. And I think it fits around 250 pieces of paper. That's what it said. 250 pieces, which is pretty cool. Right, so just put it back in. There we go. We gotta take these off. Let me get up. Okay, I'm gonna take these off real quick. Awesome. Man, I really love this printer, guys. Trust me, I've used it every time I'm at work, and it prints so smoothly. There we go. There you go. And you can print double side. So for example, you can use both sides of the paper with this printer for $296. I think that's a very good price. Let me take this off. Wow. Alright, cool. Let's see, what's this? Oh, sorry guys. There we go. Okay. So you guys can see, that's the side. That's the back. Here you put the outlet. That's the other side. There we go. That's the front. Man, I do love this printer. Okay, I'm gonna set it up, guys, over there. Then I'll come back and I'll show it to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm back. I have it set up. So I think what we're gonna do, I think we open here first. Oh, there we go. Then we're gonna open here. Then we're gonna put the ink. So let me do that and we'll turn it on. Now we're gonna add this one right here. So let's add that one really quick. So there we go. It's filling up. Alright, so I put all the ink in already. As you guys can see, it's full. But over here, there's still a little bit left here. I'll show you, like, you see there's still a little bit left on all the bottles. So I guess I'll save this ink for the next time. I'll have to buy a new one and I'll just add these. So I guess it doesn't use everything. But let's turn it on now. Oh, is there a switch? Hey, okay, give me 1 second. Oh, there we go, never mind. So it does turn on, okay. So right now it's in Japanese because I live in Japan, but you can change the language to English. So right now it's setting up. This will be the tray. The tray can always be like that. Man, this printer is pretty cool. So I'll be right back once everything is set up. Alright, so apparently there was an update that I forgot to do, so that's why it wasn't connected to the internet. I think that's the reason. So right now it's updating the firmware. So once that's done, we'll see what happens. But so far the printer is beautiful. I really like it. Alright, let's check once it's done. Alright, so I finally printed the paper. It took me a while because I had to set it up with the Wi-Fi and everything. I guess I did it the wrong way, so it took a while. But now that everything is set up, that's the paper that I print. It came out right here. And this is how it looks. So this is something I did that's called British English versus American English. But it looks really nice, so I really like it. I printed this for Thanksgiving. So it came out pretty good. As you can see, the ink is back up, all the way up, so that's good. Other than that, I'm really satisfied with this printer. I do recommend it. I'm gonna give it 8 stars out of 10 stars. So yeah, that's the printer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for my really bad review or unboxing of it, but yeah, there it is. I haven't seen much videos of this printer, so I hope this video can help you guys. Until next time, peace.